Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Moto Razr Plus from 2023. They do have a 2024 version out, but if you want to save a couple bucks, go ahead and pick this thing up. It is a great phone for the price. Right now you can find it on sale for about $500 to $549. Regular retail price is about $1,000, but this thing runs excellent. I was very surprised at the performance. 165 hertz refresh rate display, better than iPhones that are more expensive, better than a lot of Samsungs that are more expensive. You're really getting your bang for your buck on this phone. Battery life, excellent. Not to mention it is a foldable phone, which you don't really see those that are sub $1,000. So very great deal on this thing. I've been using this for a few weeks now. Like I said, performance is excellent. 3 years of software updates on this, so you should get to Android 17, I believe, because it does ship with Android 13, maybe Android 16. So I think it's probably 16, because like I said, it did ship with 13, and I updated it. So we're on Android 14 right now. It's not the fastest at getting updates, but you do get the updates nonetheless. Again, that's something you pay for with that lower price tag, but the performance is good. I believe it's a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, 8 gigs of RAM. One thing I like about this cover display here is, unlike Samsung where you have to download an additional application and run it through that to run applications, you can run apps natively on the screen here. You can just go ahead and hit add right here. You can scroll through all your apps. One thing I don't like about this though is, unlike the Galaxy Flip, the cameras do go into the screen there, so you can see it does cut stuff off, whereas the Samsung, it just cuts them out. There's no screen there, but most apps will open up around that, so you can see the like the X app there loads above the cameras, which most apps do, so you don't really run into that when running applications. But you can edit your lock screen, your home screen. You can manage your panels here, which is where you have like your apps, your weather. You can do that kind of stuff. You can add other stuff. There's games, you can contacts, calendar, all different kinds of stuff. You can add a widget panel. Very cool what you can add there. Very helpful. You can just check your phone real quickly right here on this display, and you can also add, I think, up to 4 apps right here on the front screen, so you don't have to swipe. Like if you want to check your messages, you can have those apps right here. Let's see if we can go right here. You can see there's different themes and stuff. You can add up to 4 applications. You can change the wallpaper, all that kind of stuff. Very nice phone. Nice textured back. I really like the back on it. Just kind of gives it some grippy feel as opposed to like smooth glass. Oops, I just took a screenshot. You've got your fingerprint sensor right there. It also unlocks the cover screen, which is nice. You can check your notifications right down here on the bottom. You'll get little icons down there for your notifications, all that kind of stuff. And like I said, excellent battery life. I was very surprised at the performance at a especially for a foldable phone at this price. You really do get a good value in my opinion. Like I said, I'm recording this on Prime Day, so if you're watching this when I record it, check out the Amazon link down below. You may be able to get a pretty good deal on it, like I said, about $500 to $549. Also check out the links in the description down below. There are some different companies I'm working with on collabs with some discount codes like Plug Tech, Slick Wraps, and some others where you can get some accessories, new devices, and stuff like that at a discounted price with my link. And it also supports the channel. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Colin with Techout.